Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. This trick will help you to walk on high heels without pain and discomfort. It really works. This is a simple trick to appreciate every woman. Worth a try. This trick is sure to please every woman. Especially it will be appreciated by those who want, but cannot wear high heels, because they cause it pain in the legs. With this trick you can reduce the pain and numbness of your fingers. And also you can avoid painful sensations while walking. Go in for sports, stick to proper nutrition and will be healthy. High heels will definitely become your best friend after you learn it. High-heeled shoes, this is one of the most elegant details of the women's wardrobe, which makes every woman feel sexy, but, unfortunately, many women avoid high heels because of terrible discomfort and pain in the legs. If you want to walk in your favorite high-heeled shoes, while not forcing yourself to fight the pain and leg cramps, you should try this simple but very effective and proven, from a medical point of view, trick. It will seem strange to you, but all you need is a clean, sticky tape or a flesh-colored adhesive plaster. Wrap the tape around the third and fourth toes, starting to count from the thumb. The tape locks the fingers and prevents their separation. Physicians confirm that this simple trick effectively alleviates the pain that arises in metatarsal. There is a nerve that divides into two ends that diverge into these fingers, which is why pain occurs when walking on high heels. By fastening your fingers together, you prevent their movement and pressure on this nerve. Thus, you will walk on high heels without experiencing pain. Fixing the toes also prevents numbness and cramps caused by increased pressure on the legs. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.